When you get stopped in the street and asked where you got your jewelry from, you're doing something right, okay? Because I have been stopped and asked, girl, where you get that ring from, okay? Do I really want to spill my secret with them? Because I be sitting there and I be like, girl, I know you staring. I know you see it sparkling. I know you see all this bling, okay? I know you see it blinging. Just come and ask, because I'm going to hook you up. All right, y'all. So come close. Come close. I got a little secret, and I think you know what it's about. You see this blinging? This is blinging, okay? So first of all, it's not real diamonds, but you don't have to tell anybody, okay? Shh. Keep the secret. Our little secret. Girls, ladies, what is going on? First off, if you are new to the channel, it's your girl Carrie M, okay? And I want you to click on that pretty red subscribe button to hook your sister up. If you ain't new to the channel, still do it if you ain't did it already, okay? Now, if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, that's also affordable, because you know I like to keep it cute on the coin now. Click on that notification bell, because you don't want to be the one to miss out. Trust, okay? Now, I want to let you know that this is going to be a 2-year update type of video. If you want to know how it's holding up after 2 years, y'all, do you remember the video? Do you remember? It's still looking good, but we're going to talk about that. Now, today's sponsor is Italo Jewelry. Now, I have done multiple videos for Italo Jewelry in the past already, okay? Now, this video is a little bit different. The other videos, I did an unboxing. I kind of showed you the stuff straight out of the package, brand new, all of that stuff, because you know they be hooking us up. Before we get too deep, I do have a promo code, okay? It's going to be Carrie20. That's CARRI20. That's going to save you an additional little bit of coin on this already affordable jewelry, okay? So for anyone who is not familiar with Italo Jewelry, first of all, they're going to definitely serve you with luxurious, fine looking jewelry, but not at the prices that you're used to paying for that type of jewelry, okay? If you are thinking about investing in some jewelry, but you don't want to spend too much, but you want something that looks expensive, but it's not that expensive, I mean, we're not talking $20, okay? You're going to drop at least $100 minimum, but that is nothing compared to real diamonds. You get where I'm going with this? I mean, if you want something that sparkles, you're gonna get the shine of real diamonds and gold, but it's gonna be at a lower cost because they're using different types of metals and stones such as sterling silver and sapphire, okay? So that's something that you're into, girl. This is the place to go, because trust me, it can fool someone. Then you need to keep on watching. So it doesn't really matter where you live, okay? This is not limited to anyone because they do offer worldwide shipping. You do also get a 1-year warranty, and you also get 60 days to return. Now, they do have multiple categories on the website for the jewelry. I'm gonna go ahead and share the website with you just so you can see for yourself what you will be looking at and what you have to look forward to. As you can see right now, Italo Jewelry is actually hosting a Mother's Day sale. Now, depending on when you catch this video, this sale may or may not be going on, but definitely check frequently to their website, because I noticed that they typically have sales going on often for different things. Right now, I want to show you some different categories because they have a lot of options. First of all, previously I mentioned $100 minimum. That's not true. They actually have items for less than $100, which I didn't notice until now. So I was like, wait a minute, you can get jewelry, necklaces, earrings, whatever for under $100. That's really good. Now, I love to dip into the men's section because I don't think a lot of people know that they sell men's jewelry, but they definitely do, okay? So they have men's jewelry, you can get personalized jewelry, wedding sets, which I'm sure you guys know about. They also have wedding bands, which I love me a good wedding band. That pink one is pretty. I love pink. And then they have engagement rings. There goes another pink one. I absolutely love pink. I need to try pink one time. And then back to the Mother's Day sale. So yeah, options. But look, I know y'all want to get a close up on these rings, so let me go ahead and show you what it's looking like today after 2 years. So the first ring that I'm going to jump off with is this blingy one right here on my finger. Now this first one is the Eternity Round Created White Sapphire Engagement Ring. Okay, so gorgeous. First of all, when I did the initial video, I had this ring, and another ring in the video, and everyone was super obsessed with this one. Okay, super obsessed. It's just so blingy, so chunky, so gorgeous, y'all. And when I wear this ring, it definitely screams. Like I said, people definitely be stopping me and asking me where I got it from. I get tons of compliments on it, y'all. So if you are into something that's just definitely out there and standing out and bold, definitely definitely look into this. All right, so this ring right here is a showstopper, and this one, I just want to say it has a lot of stones all across its eternity ring, plus the little detailing area amongst the little crown area that's holding the main stone has a lot of little stones in it as well. And I'm going to say this, all of the stones stayed put throughout all this time. The blinginess is still here. I don't have any cloudiness, no tarnishing. This one is looking how it did when I first got it. So I feel like this one still looks like a brand new ring. Now, I don't wear this ring too often because I'm not always trying to make like a huge bold statement. But when I do wear it, and now that I have this wonderful, beautiful bracelet from them, I like to pair it with this because it's just like, just glisten on top of glisten, you know? It's just so beautiful. Like, oh my goodness, I don't like to wear too much when I wear this. Maybe some stud earrings, something like that, because I don't want to take away, and I don't want to be doing too much, you know what I'm saying? But let's move into the next ring. So this ring here, y'all, I'm gonna give you a close-up on it, of course. This is the Pure Halo 3-stone engagement ring, and this ring is super pretty. I really love this ring, y'all. I think it's just real classy. It's a real classy ring, y'all. It's so beautiful, definitely elegant. And when I wear this ring, I definitely pair it with my wedding band that I have on with it as well, because I just feel like it definitely just kind of gives it like a set type of vibe. On the regular, when I'm just not trying to do too much, I wear my band by itself because I don't like wearing chunky jewelry all the time, for comfort reasons. So when I do want to, these two just pair so well together. So beautiful. Just look at this. On the wedding finger, on the ring finger, girl. This ring I definitely wear a lot more than the first ring. I already told y'all I pair it with my wedding band a lot. That being said, she does have some wear on it, and it is showing a little bit. There is some mild cloudiness on the center stone, but it's not something that cannot be fixed. You can definitely get it shined back up so it can look how it did when I first got it. Now, I did think that because I wear it so much that it would tarnish a little bit, but it's actually still looking pretty good. So we don't have any issues with that. And with the cloudiness, y'all, I know you see it. It still has a lot of beautiful sparkle and shine. So I definitely think it is worth the money, especially for going on 2 years. And it still looks as good with constant wear. Most definitely, this ring is worn a lot more than the eternity ring because I just like pairing it with the wedding band, like I said, and it's just so classic, and you don't have to think too hard about it. It's not out there. So yeah, it's really cute though. They both blinky, but it's a difference. It's 2 different type of blings, you know? So this one is just a bonus, okay? I did not have this ring for 2 years. I recently reviewed this the last time I did an Italo video, and this was 4 months ago. So this ring is 4 months in, okay? So 4 months in, I want to show you how it's doing, okay? So first of all, this is the round cut eternity wedding band. Now this one is actually the one that I wear most frequent out of all 3 of the rings that I just showed you, and I think it's mainly because I love bands. I love wedding bands. That's why on my ring finger, my actual wedding band is a band. I love bands. I just feel like it's easier to maneuver in and out of your purse, perfect for everyday wear. You don't have to think too hard. You don't even have to be dressed up or it's just perfect, okay? I love wedding bands. So this one is a 4-month in ring, and I wear it just like this, just one little ring on my finger. I don't typically wear it with a bracelet. So yeah, this ring, I don't know, I think it's my favorite my favorite ring so far. But anyways, for 4 months and for like a lot of time wearing it, is holding up pretty good. But of course, you know, I'm gonna come back in like a year or 2 to give you more of an update to show you how it's holding up. That was a rant, okay, because this is my ring right here. And actually, y'all, this eternity ring pairs really well. The 2 eternity rings pair really well together. Like, girl, so much chunk on chunk. This is cute. So I just have to say, like, truthfully and honestly, because y'all know I'm gonna keep it about with y'all every single time. I absolutely love the rings, and I love their jewelry, especially in the silver colors, because it just looks like white gold or something like that. It doesn't tarnish. You don't have to worry about yellow metal or rose gold metal starting to fade out or anything, because it's like a silver color. So I do highly recommend, if you're going to get some rings and stuff for them, especially if you intend to have them for years to come, definitely get them in these metal colors. That's just my suggestion, okay? Because I haven't had any issues with them turning or anything, and that's really, really huge. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are aware, because I tell you in all of my other videos, this is an update video. If you're watching an update, I would assume you kind of watch the initial videos, but if not, I'll let you know. If you initially buy some jewelry from them, you will get a sterling silver certificate, and they basically let you know that their stuff is sterling silver, okay? They are not playing that, so you don't have to worry about getting like some kind of cheap metal that's going to break you out, itch you, and all of that good stuff. Like, you're good and you're straight. Like I said, it's gonna last you, okay? Nobody's gonna know. Who gonna know? Who gonna know? Nobody gonna know if you let you tell them. Only y'all know that these ain't, you know, I ain't dropped you know, thousands bags on them, because I'm telling y'all. But trust me, I do love how sparkly they are. They're so gorgeous. I like to give y'all close up and low lights just so you can see how much it sparkles and stuff, because honestly, in like regular daylight, girl, these things be glistening and shining like no other. These lights doesn't know justice. You can see like the little rainbow colors in it and all of that, and I love that. So I think it's so pretty, girl, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm not buying me a no diamond that big right now, okay? I got some other things I'm worrying about. So again, all of the information for all of the jewelry that I showed you will be linked in the description box, with also including this beautiful bracelet that I got from them 4 months ago, because I know somebody's probably eyeing it, girl. I know you see it. I know you see it, okay? 4 months, okay? I wear this bracelet a lot, okay? The video's not even about the bracelet, but I'm just showing y'all, like, they have really nice pieces. I wear it a lot, because it's gorgeous. If you are on my channel, you see me doing content and stuff, you'll see that a lot. So ain't no capping over here. I will also link the videos for the initial unboxings and, you know, all of that stuff if you're interested. But until then, ladies and gents, if you're watching, but I think it's just ladies over here, I will see you in another video. Comment down below, let me know how you feeling these rings, what you think about it. You gonna get one or what? Like, let me know. Well, let me know, okay? I will see y'all later. Bye.